Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of okra, a truly underrated vegetable. People thought it was boring and bland, but okra is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins. We're going to break down why this humble vegetable should be a staple in your diet. So buckle up and let's explore the amazing world of okra together. First things first, let's talk about why okra is so good for you. This green pod is not just a staple in many cuisines, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and K. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining your overall health. These vitamins are crucial for your immune system, skin health, and bone health. They help you stay vibrant and active. Okra is also a fantastic source of folate and magnesium, important for pregnant women and muscle function. Folate supports fetal development, while magnesium aids in muscle recovery. One of the most impressive things about okra is its high fiber content. Fiber is key for digestive health and helps keep you feeling full longer. Fiber is essential for your overall health, and okra is a fantastic source of this gut-healthy nutrient. It promotes a healthy digestive system and regular bowel movements. Plus, all these nutrients come in a vegetable that's naturally low in calories and fat. This makes okra an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Let's talk about digestion, something super important for our overall health. It's a complex process that starts the moment we take a bite of food. Okra is an excellent source of dietary fiber, a superhero for your gut. This green vegetable is packed with nutrients that support your digestive system. It adds bulk to your stool, helping to keep things moving smoothly and preventing constipation. Drinking plenty of water along with fiber is key. Fiber also acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut, crucial for digestion, immunity, and mental health. A balanced diet rich in fiber can make a big difference. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better digestion and a stronger immune system. Regular exercise and stress management also play a role. Adding okra to your diet is a great way to improve your digestion and boost your gut health. So why not give it a try? Now let's talk about blood sugar control, which is crucial for overall health, especially for those managing diabetes. Keeping blood sugar levels stable is essential to avoid complications. Okra has been shown to have remarkable blood sugar regulating properties. This green vegetable is packed with nutrients and fiber. It contains compounds that may slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to maintain more consistent levels. This means your blood sugar won't spike as quickly after a meal, which is beneficial for long-term health. Some research suggests that okra may even help to improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to use glucose. Insulin helps your body use glucose for energy, and improving sensitivity can prevent high blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes complications. Okra could play a significant role in preventing and managing diabetes, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Heart health is something we should all be thinking about, and okra can help. It's naturally low in sodium and saturated fat, which is great for heart health. Okra provides nutrients that actively support your cardiovascular system. Fiber helps to lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Okra is also a good source of antioxidants, which fight off free radicals in the body. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to diseases, including heart disease. By loading up on antioxidants, you're giving your body extra protection. Now, this next benefit is still being studied, but the early research is promising. We're talking about okra's potential to help fight cancer. Okra contains compounds that may have anti-cancer properties. These antioxidants may protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer. While more research is needed, the early findings suggest okra could be valuable in a diet aimed at preventing cancer. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about the incredible health benefits of okra. From boosting your digestion to potentially protecting against chronic diseases, this humble vegetable has so much to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. See you next time.